Guys, so I go downtown, go on a car show, you know. So stick around, I'm not gonna know what going down. You know the thing go out of cold still. You know? So yeah, I'm on the chain. Reach now our time. So yeah, just stick around and stay tuned. Remember, give the video a like. Tell me if you want some more than flag them. You see me? You know the thing though. That is it, clock is quick. So guys, we're there. Just reach on the first floor and stuff. Or jump out in a city now, you see me? So I'm not gonna know what's going on. As I tell you, just stay tuned. We have a whole heap of vlogger come. Right now we're done in downtown, you see me? And check out the tower. You see me? So you know it's a mad thing. So what we'll do right now, see if we can jump into the car. Yeah guys, so this is my bad beast, you know. You see me? It's a BMW. Maddest life them. Yeah, man. Watch them rings there. Yeah, like all IG them who love the vintage them. Check out them vintage. I'm gonna start from over here, so I'm gonna see what I go and look. We have the vintage them in every style.
1935 Mercedes-Benz.
Yeah, man. Check out this one. It's one of the 1960.
That's the SLS and the SL and the GT.
Tell you about these. Yeah. 1961 there, sir. Check it out.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, man. What I have to say about the cars? You like the cars, them?
Oh, hell yeah.
Which one is your favorite?
That one. The Mercedes 300 SL.
Yeah, what about you, bro?
My favorite car over there? Probably has to be what's it called, the Roadster, the 1961. That one looks pretty slick.
Oh, the 500?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Basically, I love that the 140. Yeah, the 190 is basically if you couldn't afford that.
Oh, I see. So it's like the Roadsters for broke people.
Yeah, it's basically.
Hi. Can you tell me about this car? Not on video. Oh my god. Right now we're in a Hot Wheels park, you see me?
Oh my God!
All right. How is it going so far?
Well, guys, get there then when I don't look on them at the Jimmy, so we just want to check out some more. Go on the next part, run on the next place, I'm not going to see what I'm going, isn't it? So just stay tuned. You know the thing, one skull. Any other else skull, a crack. Go up on the top now, we'll check out the other rest, I carry them up on the top. You see me? Yeah, man, so go and stay tuned. Woo! Guys, check out them one now. What I'm talking about. Yeah, guys, so watch I go on now. With the upper part there. Some real beasts, some real cars. So I'm wanting to just check out what I go on. Check out some car. I'm not going to see what I go on. See? So you know the thing. That is it. Clock is quick. We'll check out some of the car them now.
That's not exactly what I was thinking.
Watch upon them one as we walk towards it. You see me? Them are the beasts.
Oh my God! Wow! That was way before.
See what they want to have you for them. This feel good. This feel good, guys. Steering nice. You see me, everything I shift button and shift, you see me, so they want a nice, fully roof beast and panoramic mud thing. You see me, so it's a good look. So we'll move on to our next one. You know the thing though. You see me? If you rate this far in the video, just remember, leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. You see me? Tell a family, tell a friend. The Zooskull Ent entertainment out there, I do it. So go jump in some more ride and get back to sick. Look here, walk here, look. We're trying to stick to Nissan, although we're not a Nissan fans, but they look good. Grab the iron that in on the side. That's sick. Guys, right now we'll check out some of the mad bends them. You see me? And them are beasts. You see me? Check it out. Fully.
Electrified muscle car is that massive battery pack. It's 100 kilowatt hours. You get a range of up to 496 kilometers. However, that battery pack between the wheelbase here actually stiffens the entire frame, let's say, by 51%, making it a bit more rigid. As you can see here, it also has 50-50 weight distribution, so it's perfectly balanced. On top of that, it has a multi-link suspension in the back. It has active dampening suspension here, so it's a much better cornering vehicle. As you can see, the guy here, he loves cornering and spot, turning the wheel back and forth, and having a blast in the Dodge Charger. Now, of course, with all that power, you have to, of course, comes great responsibility.
It's sick. You know the thing, go. Guys, some mad car there. I must say mad, I mean mad. You see me? It's an experience. Big woman thing, cause next 5 years I look for one if I have a 4 of them. Mad. You know the thing. Mad BMW bike. Look like a Tesla. A Tesla, man. What? So guys, we'll check out them Audi right now. Audi, man. See. I'm out up on the Audi side now. So go check out some of them look here. Mad, them here a whip. Them here a whip. Going. Now we'll check out them one here. Watch out one as me enter. Wow. Audi are tough. We're up on the Audi side, so I'm going to check out some Audi. There's me for all like Audi lover them. Yeah. Rate the color are tough. And the tough guys. Guys, right now we're there. How you walk got the car? Just I come from the car show. Yeah, no. Just jump off of the train. I go towards the car. Tired. If you guys reach this far in the video, just remember to comment and let me know if you guys need more of this video. And I will surely bring some vlogs to you guys. You know the thing. I remember, I might slang that, You know the thing. But it say it first, and the next YouTuber take it and run with it like a him bill it when me say, yo, you know the thing, not see it like when man bingo. Some boy thief it. But now, you know the thing. That is it. Clock is quick. You see me? So anybody who here say that, you know, say, yo, a Zooskull them copy from cars. A one skull, Any other skull, a crack skull. Hear that? Mad move. Where you say, wifey? Any other skull? Crack skull.